Hey guys, if you've noticed that your headset, your audio from your headset's way too low, then what you guys need to go is go to your menu, alright? And from there, just go right here, the very last option. From your very last option, go into audio. Under audio, you guys will see your headset volume. And from here, most of you will have it at halfway through, okay? So just bring it all the way up. And then from your headset itself, usually you guys have that little wheel that you guys can spin up or down, and that way you guys can make it lower. But ultimately you guys would want it at the highest peak. And then these guys, you guys can, well, that's really your preference. If you guys would like to have this down or up, I have it around there. Then just go back and you're done. So that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.